Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's session of Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India, dated September 20, 2023. So, before we go ahead, I would like to give a small disclaimer that registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASIL, and certification from NISM is no way guarantee performance of the intermediate provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in security markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Without taking you much time, I'll start with Nifty 50's chart analysis for Monday and for the past few days as well. As yesterday was an holiday on account of Ganesh Chaturthi, we'll talk about Monday's market movement. And as you can see, Nifty declined by more than 0.2% on Monday, but we didn't record a D-day, that is a distribution day. Why? Because volumes was less than the previous day. That was the only reason we did not record a distribution day on Monday. And the distribution day count currently stands at zero, and we are currently in a confirmed uptrend as market reclaimed its recent highs of 19991 and it's currently trading about 20,100 level. So when market created this previous highs of 19991, it retraced back to its 21 DMA and 50 DMA, found support there, and it has moved higher from there. And currently, if you look at it, some recent support for Nifty will be around these recent highs only. And this recent highs is expected to provide some support to Nifty. And today's session also, Nifty can see some minor decline according to the gift Nifty's opening and according to the Asian markets trading and the US markets closing as well. Going forward, if the distribution day count increases, which is currently at zero, first Nifty will go to an upturn under pressure. If distribution day count increases further and key moving averages such as the 50 DMA gets breached and there is this proper close below the 50 DMA, then Nifty will go to a downtrend as well. Talking about key news, NBCC got an order worth rupees 150 crore from Khadi and Village Industries Commission. Tata Motors is expected to increase its price of vehicles from 1st October by up to 3%. The price is used to increase the offset of the residual impact of the past input costs and will applicable across the entire range of commercial vehicles. Union Bank, the government extends Nitesh Ranjan's term as bank executive director for 2 years. His current term expires on 9th March 2024. Biocon Peter Baines is appointed as the group CEO to drive synergistic growth. He was earlier leading Biocon uh, subsidiary Syngene. Jindal Steel chairman Naveen Jindal term as executive director is due to end on September 30, and he will continue on the board in the capacity of non-executive chairman from 1st October. Global market update. All the three US indices closed lower by around 0.2 to 0.3%. Dow Jones closed lower by 0.3%. S&P 500 by 0.2% and Nasdaq Composite by 0.2%. Asian markets, all the three indices are trading lower. Cost price trading lower by 0.2%. Shanghai Composite by 0.3% and Nikkei by 0.3%. Talking about Gift Nifty is indicating a lower opening. Gift Nifty a few minutes back was trading around 20,084 against Monday's close of 20,133. And considering how the Asian markets are trading, how the US markets have closed, uh, there is a high possibility that, and even how Gift Nifty is indicating that Nifty can open lower and can remain a little jittery throughout the entire trading session. So talking about the chart of the chart of the day for us is Tata Motors, and overall EPS strength looks good. I mean, looks good at 69. Price strength of 74 is also good, and buyer demand is also good for the stock. As you can see this on the EPS and the sales front, the stock has been delivering very well over the last 4 to 5 quarters. And as earlier discussed, the price increase of by up to 3% to increase to offset the input cost is expected to boost the bottom line of the stock, and as well is expected to boost the operating margins for the stock as well. The stock is forming a cup base at the moment and is forming the right hand side of the base and is trading well above the key moving averages. And you can see some sign of accumulation also coming in on the right hand side of the stock. There is a good prior uptrend for the stock, which is good, and the stock is still 4% to pivot. If the stock is able to move higher on above average volume, that is show signs of accumulation going forward, it can be really good for the stock. Even with 949 funds already there and a huge amount of fund holding, quarter on quarter, the fund holding for the stock have been improving very well. That is a really good sign. Going forward, if market remains supportive and the stock is able to break out on above average volumes, then it can be a really, really good stock to watch out for. I mean, the only thing, I mean, at this point that is remaining for the stock is a clean breakout on above average volume. That is what we'll like to see. So thank you, and that's it from my side. And stay tuned to the space of Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India from Monday to Friday at 8:45 a.m. sharp.